Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm gonna show you how you can delete your YouTube channel. But make sure you watch this video until the very end so that you won't make any mistake in the process. Now in order to delete a YouTube channel, open up the YouTube app and make sure you have logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon on the top right of the screen, and from there tap on your channel option. Now again tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Now from the menu tap on the very last option, help and feedback. And there you can see the first option, delete or hide your YouTube channel. Tap on the first option and scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Now here you can see two options on the screen. Choose the second option, delete your channel permanently. And again scroll a bit down and here you can see entire Google account, and here tap on entire Google account link. After that, new page will open where you can see steps to delete your account. Now head over to the third step. Tap on the first option, data and privacy section of your Google account. Once you tap on it, you will land it to data and privacy section of Google account. Now scroll down until you found an option, delete a Google service option. Once you found the option, tap on it. Now you need to enter your Google password to get verified and continue. Then tap on next button. Now if you want any data from your YouTube, then tap on download your data option and download it. Now to delete your YouTube channel, tap on bean icon to the right side of your YouTube option. For the last time, you will given two options, that is, I want to hide my channel and I want to permanently delete my content. Now if you want to permanently delete your content, then tap on second option, where you need to tick two square boxes to delete your account permanently. Tick on it and then tap on delete my content button. After that, you will ask to confirm your email address. Type in your email address and then tap on delete my content option. Once you tap on it, your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted. And in this way, you can delete your YouTube channel. And that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in my next video.